So to begin, notice how you can't really lift this up all the way. So what you're gonna do is just move this up a little bit higher like that, so you could open up or lift that up. And all you gotta do is turn this sideways 45 degree or 90 degree and just take it out. Put your new one in. A lot of time when you buy the new one, they have this tab right here. You don't need this tab right here. Just take it out. Put it on 90 degree. That's it. Make sure to take this plastic film off. And now to the other side. Now we're going to the passenger side. Lift it up. Turn it sideways 90 degree. And out. Take the clip off. Take this plastic film off. Same thing. 90 degree. Put it in position, and that's it. It's back. You're done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it has helped you replace your windshield wipers on this 5 Series BMW. Make sure to check my other videos here for more do-it-yourself. Thanks for watching.